portion of, we will discuss three modules: modulus function, maximum minimum using progressions, arithmetic, geometric mean, harmonic mean, and the problems based on remainder theorem. These three topics we will discuss. Type 1. Please write down. Type 1. Problems based on modulus function. Type 1. Problems based on modulus function. It's a very easy topic if you understand all the concepts. Problems based on modulus function. Problems based on modulus function. Modulus is defined as distance from a given point. Distance from a given point. Modulus is defined as distance from a given point. That given point could be origin or given point could be any other point apart from origin. Since we are calculating distance, modulus can never be negative. Distance can never be negative. Displacement can be negative. Modulus can never be negative. Silently, we will understand the concept through problems. First one, mod x equivalent to 2. Mod x equivalent to 2. The meaning of this statement is, first listen, x is there at point 0. It travels 2 units. That means it travels 2 units forward or it travels 2 units backward. If it travels 2 units forward, then the value is 2. If it travels 2 units backward, then the value is minus 2. One more example. Mod x equivalent to 7. X is there at point 0. It travels 7 units forward or it travels 7 units backward. So if it travels 7 units forward, it is 7. 7 units backward, it is minus 7. First example, we will start from a very primitive level. Slowly we will scale up to level 3. Third one. Mod x equivalent to minus 5. Mod x equivalent to minus 5. Modulus is the distance. Distance can never be negative, but the output here is minus 5. So answer is not possible. Modulus can never give a negative value. Answer is, it's an inconsistent equation. No value of x can give you minus 5. Fourth one. Mod x minus 3 less than 0. Mod x minus 3 less than 0. If you draw a number line 0, anything to the left of 0, it is negative. Can it be negative? No. No possible value of x will satisfy. No value of x exists. No value of x satisfies this equation. Even this one also, the answer is not possible means there is no value of x which will satisfy this equation. No value of x satisfies this equation. No value of x satisfies this equation. Fifth one. Very easy questions we will solve, then we will solve very difficult. Mod 3x equivalent to 12. Mod 3x equivalent to 12. Call these 3x as a. Mod a equivalent to 12. A is there at point 0. 12 units forward, 12 units backward. So a will be 12 or minus 12. But a value is 3x. 3x equivalent to 12 or minus 12. So x value will be 4 or minus 4. X value will be 4 or minus 4. Directly also you can write mod 3x is 12, but I am writing it because I want to use this format in the subsequent equations. Sixth one. Mod x minus 2 equivalent to say 7. Mod x minus 2 equivalent to 7. That means x is there at a critical point 2. It travels 7 units forward or it travels 7 units backward. If it travels 7 units forward, it is 9. If it travels 7 units backward, it is minus 5. Mod x minus 2 equivalent to 7. X is there at a point 2. It travels 7 units forward or it travels 7 units backward. Simple questions. Then we'll slowly move. Mod x plus 3 equivalent to 4. Mod x plus 3 equivalent to 4. That means x is there at point minus 3. If x is there at point minus 3, it travels 4 units forward or it travels 4 units backward. It travels 4 forward, it travels 4 backward. If it travels 4 forward, it is 1. If it travels 4 units to the left of minus 3, it is minus 4. 1 or minus 7. X is there at point minus 3. It travels 4 units forward or it travels 4 units backward. Eighth one. Mod 2x minus 7. Mod 2x minus 7 equivalent to 5. Mod 2x minus 7 equivalent to 5. See here. Let me call this 2x as a. Mod a minus 7 equivalent to 5. That means a is there at point 7. It travels 5 units forward or it travels 5 units backward. So if it travels 5 units forward, it is 12. 5 units backward, 5 units to the left of 7 is 2. Answer is 2 or 12. That is for 2x. So x value will be 1 or 6. X value will be 1 or 6. Eighth one. Ninth one. Please try to solve this question. Mod 3x plus 4 equivalent to 5. Mod 3x plus 4 equivalent to 5. Use the same approach. Mod 3x, it is a. Mod a plus 4 equivalent to 5. Mod a plus 4 equivalent to 5. A is there at minus 4. It travels 5 units forward. It travels 5 units backward. So A will be 1 or minus 9. A is 3x. 3x equivalent to 1 or minus 9. X will be 1 by 3 or minus 3. X will be 1 by 3 or minus 3. Again here. 10th one. Another. We are scaling up the concept. 10th one. Mod of 10th one. Mod x minus 2 minus 3 equivalent to 4. How many values x will satisfy? Mod x minus 2 minus 3 equivalent to 4. Same. Place this mod x minus 2 as a. So this will become mod a minus 3 equivalent to 4. A is there at point 3. It travels 4 units forward or it travels 4 units backward. So A will be 4 units forward 7, 4 units backward it is minus 1. What is A value? Mod x minus 2. Mod x minus 2 is 7 or minus 1. Mod will not give a negative value. X is there at point 2. It travels 7 units forward and it travels 7 units backward. If it travels 7 units forward, 9. 7 units backward, minus 5. 9 or minus 5. 11th one.
This one another concept.
Mod x minus 2, I call it as A, Shankar. Mod A minus 3 is at 4.
3 how can solve?
It is already there, right?
What about the 2 set? Okay.
This value I call it as A.
Okay.
Solve one more question. Mod 2x minus 6 minus 5 equivalent to 7. Practice question. Mod of mod 2x minus 6 minus 5 equivalent to 7. Mod 2x minus 6, call it as a. So this will become mod a minus 5 equivalent to 7. A is there at point 5. It travels 7 units forward or it travels 7 units backward. So A will become 12 or minus 2. A will become 12 or minus 2. Yes, mod 2x minus 12. Mod x 2x minus 6 is 12 or minus 2. Minus 2. Not possible. So mod 2x, call it as y and solve it. Mod y minus 6 equivalent to 12. Y is there at 6. 12 forward, 12 backward. So y will be 18 or minus 6. Y is 2x. 2x is 18 or minus 6. X will be 9 or minus 3. 9 or minus 3. Slowly we will move from an elementary concepts to elementary concepts. Next, 11th one, clear, right? Note, please write down note. Note. Now, till now we did equal to, now we will put an inequality. Note. Suppose if you see here, note, x square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. It is x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. Critical points of x are 2 and 3. Take any point less than 2 or from 2 to 3 or greater than 3. Let me take less than 2, 0. If I put 0, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus 3, minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3, 6. Is 6 less than 0? No. So cross. Alternatively, it will be cross and tick. Suppose if you take 2.5, you will get this problem. 2.5 minus 2 is 0.5. 2.5 minus 3 is minus 0.5. Plus into minus is minus, less than 0. Now, the reason why I am specifying this point is, if the equation is of this form, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. Less than means, for this one answer is, x lies from 2 to 3. Similarly, what are 2 and 3? Roots. Here also, x lies from 2 to 3. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, it lies. Similarly, first listen, then you can write. Similarly, if the equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0, so this will be x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. Greater than means it is 2 and 3. Take 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3, 6. Is 6 greater than 0? Yes. Tick, cross, tick. That means here, anything less than 2 or x is greater than 3. That means if the equation is of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. If x will be less than alpha or x will be greater than beta as long as alpha is less than beta is the second conclusion. If the equation is less than for quadratic, x lies between alpha and beta. If it is greater than, x does not lie between alpha and beta. Please write down this. Then we will see its application. If the equation has less than, it lies between the two roots alpha and beta. If the equation is greater than, x will be less than alpha or x will be greater than beta. X will be less than alpha or x will be greater than beta. If the equation is less than, x lies between alpha and beta. If the equation is greater than, x less than alpha or x greater than beta. I will solve to get an idea. Mod x minus 3 less than 7. Mod x minus 3 less than 7. We have to find out what is the range of x that satisfies this inequality. Now, forget about less than. First, assume that it is equivalent to. If it is equivalent to, how will we solve it? It is at 3. 7 units forward, 7 units backward. 7 units forward it is 10, 7 units backward it is 4. Since it is less than means x lies between the values. Between what are the values? 4 less than x less than 10. 4 less than x less than 10. Just to hold on. If the question is mod x plus 2 is greater than 5, mod x plus 2 is greater than 5, forget about greater than. First put it for equivalent to. If it is minus 2, it goes 5 units forward or it goes 5 units backward. 5 units forward it is 3. 5 units backward it is minus 7. Since it is greater than means x is lesser than the lesser value or x is greater than the greater value. Please write down. So not only for equivalent to, greater than, less than also you need to solve like this. X plus 2 greater than 5. It is not equivalent to greater than. I am just specifying the greater than. X is there at a point minus 2. It goes 5 units forward or it goes 5 units backward. 5 units forward it is 3. 5 units backward it is minus 7. X less than minus 7 or x greater than 3. Idea clear? Now once you understand this concept, I think let us solve this question. X square plus 5 mod x plus 6 is less than 0. First we will make it into equivalent to 0. X square plus 5 mod x plus 6 is equivalent to 0. Directly by looking at the question itself, you can say no value of x will satisfy. No value of x satisfies this equation. Why? Because can I say that mod x will be either it can never be negative. That means either it will give 0 or it will give positive. Positive plus positive plus positive. Can it be equivalent to 0? No. If it is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 6, can it be equivalent to 0? No. So you can say directly that answer is no value of x exists. Or if you want to solve this, x whole square is mod x whole square plus 5 mod x plus 6 equivalent to 0. So this will be mod x plus 2 into mod x plus 3 equivalent to 0. So mod x values are minus 2, minus 3. Does the value of x can it be negative? No. So either you can. No value of x satisfies. No value of x satisfies. Understood the idea, right? So, slowly we are moving away from level 1. Next question. Try to solve this question. X square minus 3 mod x minus 4 mod x plus 5 equivalent to 0. X square minus 4 mod x plus 5 equivalent to 0. Can I write it as mod x whole square minus 4 mod x plus 5 equivalent to 0. So this is mod x minus 1 into mod x minus 4 equivalent to 0. Mod x will be 1, 4. That means x will be plus or minus 1 plus or minus 4. How many values? 4 values. 4 values.
Mod x plus 4.
Change the question. I don't have a change of habit of changing answers. 5 mod x plus 4. X is plus or minus 1 plus or minus 4. Now, this is a typical CAT question. Find the value of x satisfying the equation mod x equivalent to 3x minus 2. Find the value of x satisfying the equation mod x equivalent to 3x minus 2. Mod x equivalent to 3x minus 2. Most of the students may do a mistake in this question. So they will take it as they must have read it somewhere this definition. Mod x is x if x is greater than 0. Mod x is minus x when x is less than 0. That means if I take mod x equivalent to x greater than 0, x equivalent to 3x minus 2, 2x equivalent to 2, x will be 1. If I take mod x equivalent to minus x, it is when x is less than 0, minus x is 3x minus 2, so 4x equivalent to 2, x will be 1 by 2. How many values we got? 2. Students will tick mark it as 2, but answer is not 2. Why? Because you got the answer x equivalent to 1 by 2. It is for what condition? X less than 0. Is 1 by 2 less than 0? No. So only one value. Only one value. You can also solve this question by using graphs and everything. Even by using graphs also you can solve it. Mod x will be like this. X is 2 by 3 comma 0. Maybe somewhere there will be a straight line like this. Only one point. That's one way to solve by using graphs. The diagram is not drawn to the screen. Anyway, we did not discuss the graph, so let us not discuss. So answer is only one value. Mod x equivalent to 3x minus 2. Next, another variety. 3 less than, please write down. 3 less than mod x minus 2 less than 7. 3 less than, next one. 3 less than mod x minus 2 less than 7. Two inequalities. 3 less than mod x minus 2 less than 7. Now see here, we will split it into two parts. First part is mod x minus 2 is greater than 3. Second part is mod x minus 2 is less than 7. These are the two parts. Mod x minus 2 is greater than 3. X is there at a point 2. It goes 3 units forward or it goes 3 units backward. So if it goes 3 units forward, it is 5. 3 backward, it is minus. Mod x minus 2 is less than 7. X is there at 2. It goes 7 units forward or 7 units backward. So backward means minus 5 less than x less than 9 because it's an inequality. To get some finite values, let us take the question it as x is an integer. X is an integer because otherwise you might get some infinite values. Minus 5 less than x less than minus 1. Does 5 lie between minus 5 and 9? Does 5 lie between minus 5 and 9? Yes. So minus 5 means what are the values? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and so on up to 8. Are you all with me? What is the common in both of these? Does a 5 exist in this? Yes. Does a minus 1 exist in this? Yes. So answer is 5 or minus 1. 5 or minus 1. 5 or minus 1. 5 or minus 1. Both the inequalities take this as well as this. Shankar, clear? Minus 5 less than x less than 9 means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 till 8. This is 5 or minus 1. What is common? 5 is common, minus 1 is common.
You will take it in inequality.
Which one? Understood, right? I mistake I did. Please change the question. Try to change all 3 steps. 3 equivalent to mod x minus 2. I hope you understood the intention, right? Next. Till here it is clearly. Once you understand this, see here, I think you can solve any question like this. Mod of x minus 2 minus 3 less than 8. I hope you can solve it, right? Right? Till here it is a basic primitive level questions. It should be very easy for you once you understand this, right? Now, next. Please write down another question. Find the values of x. Find the values of x that satisfies the following equations. Find the value of x that satisfies the following equations. Find the value of x that satisfies the following equations. That satisfies the following equations. Now, listen carefully. First one, mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Method 1. Method 1. By using the definition of modulus. By using the definition of modulus. See here. By using definition of modulus function. See here. Anyway, this method we are not going to use. First, listen all the three methods. You take whatever the method that is convenient for you. X critical points are 3 and 7. Are you all with me? 3 and 7. What are the cases that I will get? X is less than 3. Yes or no? X is from 3 to 7. What is the next case? X is greater than 7. Now, case 1. X is less than 3. X is less than 3. Less than 3 means take a dummy value 2. What is 2 minus 3? Negative or positive? Negative. So this will be minus of x minus 3. If I take 2, what is 2 minus 7? Minus 5. Negative or positive? Negative. Minus of x minus 7 equivalent to 12. So this will be minus 2x plus 10 equivalent to 12. Minus 2x equivalent to 2. X equivalent to minus 1. Just check it out whether minus 1 satisfies the question. Minus 1. What is minus 1 minus 3? Minus 4. Mod of minus 4 is 4. Minus 1 minus 7 is 8. What of mod of minus 8? 8. 4 plus 8, 12. Case 2. First listen. Then we will solve the optimal method. 3 less than or equivalent to. X less than or equivalent to. So we will make 3. 3 is the critical point, right? So we will omit it. 3 less than x less than 7. Take a dummy value. X equivalent to 4. What is 4 minus 3? 1. Positive. What is 4 minus 7? Minus 3. Negative. So x minus 3 minus of x minus 7 equivalent to 12. Minus x plus x. 4 equivalent to 12. Is 4 equivalent to 12? No. Next one. Case 3. Case 3. X is greater than 7. If I put x equivalent to 8. What is 8 minus 3? 5. Positive. 8 minus 7. Positive. X minus 3 plus x minus 7 equivalent to 12. 2x minus 10 equivalent to 12. 2x equivalent to 22. X equivalent to 11. Is 11 satisfying the question? 11 minus 3, 8. 11 minus 7, 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, satisfying. But this method is a very cumbersome method, taking all the cases. First take down this case one, then we will use some other method.